We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making an upside down pineapple cake, y'all. And here are our ingredients. I have some pineapples, cherries, flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, eggs that are room temperature, light brown sugar, vanilla, some pineapple juice which came out of these pineapples, and some butter. Y'all, those are my only ingredients. Okay, y'all, let's get to making our upside down pineapple cake. Here, I'm adding my butter to my saucepan. And I'm going to let this melt. Here, I'm adding my brown sugar. And we're going to combine the two together. We're going to keep stirring our sugar and butter until the two is well combined. Here I'm spraying my cake pan with a cooking spray, or you can also use a baking spray. Here I'm pouring my caramelized sugar and butter into my cake pan. And I'm going to spread this around as evenly as I can. Now I'm adding my sliced pineapples. And we placing those as snug as we can. You should be able to get like 7 slices of pineapples in your pan. That if you're using a 9-inch pan. Now I'm adding my cherries. The cherries is what makes your upside pineapple cake looks really, really nice and delicious. You do not have to use the cherries. Here I'm getting ready to make my cake. I just added my butter. Now I'm adding my sugar. This is just regular sugar. Here I'm using my mixer to cream the butter and sugar together. Now I'm adding my 2 eggs. And we're going to continue to mix our ingredients together. Okay. Now I'm scraping down my sides. And I'm going to continue to mix our ingredients together. Now I'm adding my vanilla extract and my pineapple juice. I'm using the pineapple juice that came out of my sliced pineapples. And I'm going to mix those together. Here I'm placing my sifter on top of my bowl. I'm showing you my flour, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix my salt, baking powder, and baking soda together with my flour. And I'm going to pour it into my sifter. Now I'm sifting into my batter. Now I'm going to mix my flour and my batter together. We're going to make sure this is well combined. Okay, y'all, our batter is ready. Now I'm going to pour it on top of our pineapples. And I'm going to spread it as evenly as I can. Now I'm going to place it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Start checking your cake after 25 minutes to make sure. Some ovens tend to cook faster than others. So after 25 minutes, go check your cake out. Place a toothpick in it, and if the toothpick comes out clean, it's ready. If not, leave it in there for another 5 minutes and keep checking every 5 minutes until your toothpick comes out clean. Okay? Like I say, I'm going to place it in a 350-degree oven, and I'm going to be right back. Yes, while my cake is baking, y'all, I went by my P.O. box today, and y'all, I have love mail and didn't know it. And I hadn't been since this pandemic been going on. And so I decided to go by, and y'all, I have two cards that two ladies sent me. Miss Eldine Davison, she sent me one, and also Miss Deborah Run. She sent me a card. Y'all, I was so happy to receive those cards because, you know, since we've been home for the last couple of months now, nothing to do. I cook, you know, but I was just so happy. These cards really done something for me. I always want to thank these two ladies for dropping these in the mail for me, and I am so thankful for y'all. You know what? I did read them, and they meant so much to me. I'm going to hold them close to my heart. I have a special place for my love mail, and y'all just don't know how much it helps me to, you know, it inspires me to keep cooking, you know, just by somebody just dropping a note by, or when y'all comment, or that helps boost me on and want to keep going. But I am so thankful for you, Miss Eldine and Miss Deborah. Thank y'all so much. Hey y'all, I am back. I just removed my cake from the oven. I'm going to let it cool for like 10 minutes, and I'm going to be back with the final result. I have let my cake cool for 10 minutes, and now I'm going around the edges. You can cut the edges off if you don't prefer that to be on there, but I'm going to leave mine on because I know my family gonna love it regardless. So because they've been waiting on me to make a cake. Okay, I'm turning this cake over. I'm flipping it over onto my plate. Y'all look. See how pretty that is with those cherries on them. I'm ready for this cake, y'all. I've been waiting on, my family been waiting on something sweet. And so I decided to cook this pineapple cake. I've been telling them I was going to do it. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Y'all, I'm going to cut a slice just to show y'all how it looks on the inside. Okay, y'all, here it is. My pineapple upside down cake, y'all. Y'all, and it's very, very delicious. I hope y'all tried this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget about that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. I want to also welcome my new viewers and subscribers. I want to welcome you to my channel. As always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit.